July BoxyCharm unboxing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this. I have not opened it yet. Get my trusty scissors here. Okay. And as always, it says, "Hello, Charmer." Love it. And I'm going to show you what I got, hopefully without things falling out. Alrighty, here we got all kinds of stuff. So first off, we've got our little card. It says sunshine. We've got lots of stuff here. I'm gonna start with this guy because it's right on top. Quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner. Well, that's interesting. To remove previous color, swirl brush around the pad in a circular motion. Removes darker as well as bright shadows quickly without the use of water. Used with base and eye brushes. Can be used daily without harming the bristles of your brush. Sponge is reusable. Simply wash with your favorite cleanser. Allow to air dry and return sponge to its container. Okay, so yeah, it's like a little black sponge in there. It's very interesting. I'll have to try that out. Okay. So that's nice. It makes nice little sounds. Next is this Ace Butte Bronzed in Paradise. Aha, it's a bronzer, which I am not a fan of. But, yeah, it's like a bronzer. So I may end up giving this to my mom. She may use it. If she doesn't use it, I have other people that I can give it to. So, but I'm not a bronzer person. Okay, next we have the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Oh, I love me some watermelon. So, as a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied in the morning or evening, or as a serum, apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. This super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of the skin, while naturally giving it a younger generated look. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, which help reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. I don't have aged skin. I may have stressed skin, but I don't have aged skin. Because everybody tells me I've got a baby face, so. Clean Skin Club. So, just seeing my list of ingredients here. It does have citrus, which isn't a good thing, but it's a really pretty bottle. Like, that's really pretty. I'm gonna open it up and just smell it. It doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't really have like that potent of a smell. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell, which is good. But I may end up also giving this to my mom or to somebody else, but it's a real pretty bottle. Like, it's a full glass bottle. Like, let me see here. Like I can use one of my, like you can tell that is definitely glass. We've got a couple more things in here. We have this Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. It's very pretty, but I just don't know if I would actually use the shade very often because it's very like, well, I might. I've got a couple, like, I've got a wedding, I've got a couple of showers coming up, so who knows, I might actually use it. But you never know, it's like one of those normal day type shades. And then last but not least, we have this. I gotta turn on my light because I can't see what it says here. Alamar Cosmetics. I think it's a lip balm. It doesn't say otherwise. It just says Alamar Cosmetics on it. Let me see what the bottom here says. Birthday suit. But on the applicator, because that applicator is different. Yeah, this is definitely a lip gloss. Lip gloss / lip lacquer / liquid lipstick, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the card and see what it says and what the average retail price of it is. So the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract, comes together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So who knows, maybe I can't use it, but it's not really my forte. But this does have a retail price of $49.95. So that's a heavy hitter right now. The Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. This does retail for $25, which is surprising because that's so small. Next is the bronzer palette. I'll open it up again so you guys can see it. So here it is. The Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. So there's that. And after I read all of these and tell the prices of it, I'll go ahead and swatch it as well. This does retail for $30. So, yeah, it is Alamar. Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. Yep. So, Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, Wink, in a universally gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss. So there's that one. And then last but not least, this Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. With this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. And this does retail for $17. I don't know if I told you or not, but this retails for $15. I know I told you about the bronzer retail for $30. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swatch some stuff. And let me see here. So we're going to start with the lip gloss. It's really kind of stringy. I tend to take a lot of it off because you don't need a whole lot. Let's see, let's do... You can't really see it. Well, you can. You can kind of see it with my light here. You can see it's like, with you guys seeing the shadows and everything, it looks a little bit darker than it is, but it's like a pearlized, almost sheer looking pink. But it definitely has that diamond dipped or pearlized color to it. So next is going to be the shadow. This is almost, I thought it was pink, but now it kind of looks, I'm going to look and see if there's a shade on here. It almost, okay, it does say pink. It looks like a champagne or like a rose gold shadow to it now, sheen to it now, so let me see. Again, I'm going to get a lot of it up because you don't need a whole lot. I'm going to put that down there. Yeah, it's just like like a different color, but it's almost the same thing. It's like a champagne version of the lip gloss, but it's for your eyes. You guys can't even see that. I'll take pictures of this so you guys can see it in like a picture, but it's like basically non-existent. Okay, with the bronzers, I'm just going to completely go down my arm, so you guys can kind of see that on my finger. I'm not gonna like blend it down, I'm just gonna put it directly on there. Yeah, that's better. So they've got 4 different shades depending on your skin tone. I know you guys really probably can't see that. Yeah, you can't. But I'm gonna send pictures and everything. I'll take pictures and I'll like put them at the end of this video. But I hope you guys did like that. Let me real quick see if I can tally this up real fast on my computer here. Let's see. So we have 49.95 plus 25 plus 30 plus 15 plus 17. So that's $136.95 value out of a 25, 28, somewhere in there dollar a month thing. So this is, I feel like, the most value I've gotten from this. This guy alone was, like I said, 50 bucks. So if it is 25 a month, I think it's right around there. But if it is exactly 25, this is basically 2 boxes worth just with this one product. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. Like I said, I'm going to put in the pictures of my swatches here, and I will see you guys next month. Have a wonderful day.